I don't think the snow will really amount to that much when you look back on it, a couple of tenths of an inch, maybe not very much. It moved off to the east fairly early, except up along the lake shore, where if you're traveling that way today, you're still going to run into some decent snow, as much as 2 to 4 inches in that part of the state. That's not even enough to trigger an advisory up in northern Ohio. Now, the advisories we have are local flood warnings along the rivers as you go from Madison County into western parts of Franklin and down through Pickaway, and then down along the Scioto River from Pike to Scioto. Of course, the usual problems up in Marion County, also in Hancock County, Coshocton County, Logan County. All those areas do tend to see flooding when you've seen heavy rain, and we saw very heavy rain the end of last week and through the weekend. So flood warnings remain, at least for now, even though it seems like a far cry from that kind of weather. It's going to be a chilly afternoon, especially, given where we were the last 4 out of 5 days. I mean, we were close to 70 over the weekend, both record highs. Yesterday, we plummeted to 43. Today, you know where we are? We're down here below the graph. Going to have to revise the whole thing going into the latter half of the week. Very different scenario. Temperatures in the teens slowly falling. They don't change quickly. We're looking at mid-teens tomorrow morning, but at least the snow is moving back out. Some thin clouds continue from the west, and that'll be the trend. So as we look at the model, I told you it gave us too much credit for clearing for a long period of time. Sun and clouds this afternoon. Very cold temperatures continue, and in the morning we're looking at a low of about 16. Winds a little better tomorrow morning, still dealing with a bit of a wind chill. Then as we go into tomorrow, scattered clouds up north, maybe a couple of flurries. I don't think we'll see anything really here. A flurry or two is not out of the question. So for Christmas, you can decide whether it's merry or not looking at this. 30 degrees, a little better than today. Northwest winds 5 to 10, sun and clouds, and still at least the possibility that we get a flurry or two. Looking at the next few days, Thursday, again, maybe a chance for a few flurries. Friday, the sun returns, which is great, but it's still very, very cool. We're looking at mid-30s there, or low 30s there, actually. Saturday, we're back in the 40s for a day, and Sunday, another cold front comes in with a chance for rain or snow showers.